The martello. Follow the movements in slow motion. Repeat 11 times. Now a little faster. And now at normal speed. Now, repeat with the other leg. Follow the movements in slow motion. Repeat 11 times. Now a little faster. And now at normal speed. Okay, done. Repeat this tutorial until you can do the movements correctly without thinking. When you are ready, go to the next tutorial. Now, like, subscribe, and turn on bell to never miss a video. If you like the project, try out our full video training programs or download our mobile apps.